Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited to be unboxing the July 2025 main kit from My Creative Scrapbook. These kits are jam-packed full of product. Now this month the kit is full of Vicki Boutin's new collection called Cut and Paste. So we have lots of ephemera, we have a stencil, all kinds of things. But before I get into all the added things, I want to show you the paper. So this is the cut and paste paper, and this paper is so gorgeous. Look at all these flowers. I love all the colors in this paper. Then we've got this gorgeous pattern on the back, and check out that zip strip. The zip strips are really, really pretty. Then we have a 3x4 cut apart sheet. There's lots of journaling opportunities here. We've got the one that says notes and details. I like the little ones with the banners. And then on the back is this beautiful pink. And then this zip strip says notes, 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 notes. Sorry, I'm a little off camera. There you go. Notes, notes, notes all the way across. Then we've got another cut apart sheet here. We've got some tags. I love these rulers. And then at the bottom, these are like paint swatches. So that's something very unique. I love this. And then on the back, this beautiful green. And check out again that zip strip. Gorgeous. All right, let me lay these out. This next one here, we've got this really pretty floral wreath. And that's on like a pink background. And look at the zip strip. It's all the newsprint. And I think this one's my favorite. Lots and lots of newsprint. I love that. So fun. Then this next paper. This is all still that Vicki Boutin cut and paste line. We've got the butterflies here. And then on the back, a butterfly zip strip and some blue pattern. This one's really neat. So it's like a sunburst or starburst, whatever you want to call it here. You could even cut that out. This one, words. So I see dreams and magic. So that's fun with the black and white and the splatters on it. We've got more here. So this paper, I think I have this one upside down. We've got these little banners all the way across and all the bright, fun colors. I mean, any picture is going to go with this because it's so full of color. Then this gorgeous pattern on the back. Another pretty zip strip. Then we have a striped paper. And look, it says hello on the side. That's different. I love that. And oh, this might be my favorite too. Washi all over. It looks like washi strips. Hello, hello, hello. So pretty. Oh wait, this one might be my favorite. I love this with the black and the white and the orange. I even love that zip strip across the top with the hearts on it. Gorgeous. Not much you'd have to do here. Just add your pictures. This is pretty too. It's so hard to decide which side to use. I love that with the grid paper there or graph paper. And then we've got a couple more sheets. So this one, it kind of looks like 1x1 squares maybe. And all different colors. And then, oh, this is really pretty, this mixed media background paper. Then we've got this one here with the florals and a graph paper on the back. It's going to be hard to decide which papers to use. I love them all so much. This is a great collection. Now let's dive into all the ephemera that's included in the kit this month. First, we have these Vicki Boutin cut and paste pieces here, ephemera pieces. So here's a look on the back. But I'm going to go ahead and open these up. Now, while I'm opening these, I do want to mention that I will have a link posted down below in the description box that will take you over to the My Creative Scrapbook website where you can sign up to purchase your kit. They have this main kit. They have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, an album kit. So there's definitely going to be a kit that will fit your style. So here's a look at some of these ephemera pieces. Now these are more like vellum. These are really thin here. We've got a title piece, My Heart. And then we've got, this one says this. We've got trees, little flags. Pink and in blue. And then there's an arrow. Cute little dog. More flags in different colors here. Strawberry leaves. I really like the leaves. Here's a cute little bunny rabbit. Some flowers, some larger flowers. This one. Then we've got some flowers here and leaves, flowers and leaves. So I'm definitely going to have to make some floral clusters. And then we've got this one here. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, you know what? Is it like a tape dispenser? I bet it's a tape dispenser, because maybe? I think so. And then some books. And then here is another one, some cherries. And then let me open the larger pack. Just going to cut this open here, and I'm placing them in my stack and sort tray because I'm going to be creating with them anyway. Make sure, if you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, that you follow me on those platforms, because I will share all my creations on my social media platforms. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Look at this little drink cup. It has like newsprint on it though. Kitty cat, a butterfly, more fruit, some flowers, glue. Here's a butterfly, some pencils. Or crayons, I guess they're colored pencils. Butterflies, trees, big piece of watermelon. I mean, there's just like a little bit of everything in here. I love this. Scissors. Let me punch the inside out here on the scissors. Got a little deer. Some more pencils, strawberry, and some larger florals. So lots and lots of embellishments. Then we also have these florals. These almost look like a print and cut. I don't know. There's no packaging as far as the name, but these are really pretty, and they're definitely gonna go on my layout. So I love these really pretty flowers. So that's a nice little addition to the kit. Then we have the Vicki Boutin cut and paste stickers here, and I believe these are cardstock stickers. So let me pull these out of the packaging. And one thing I like about these stickers is there's that gold detail, so you can kind of see it shimmering in the light. We've got some title opportunities here, some florals, some butterflies, and then I love these, all these little words like drink your water, this summer, what an accomplishment. This is what matters, belly laugh. I mean, those are just so cute. I love the little wordy bits. So we've got those stickers. And then also included this month is this script texture stamp from Bo Bunny. I can't wait to use it. Look, there's script here, and then we've got these really awesome splatter stamps. So I love those. And then each month we receive a pre-cut cut file, but there's also this included. This is like more of like a cut apart, or some titles. You can cut these apart and use these on your layout as well. Make today count, walk your own path, never give up, choose happiness, believe in yourself, choose to shine, inspire others. So lots of uplifting words, sentiments. And then here's the pre-cut cut file, and this one says happy moments. You can also go to the My Creative website website, and you can click the download button once you're a subscriber and have access to all the cut files. Then we have this Simple Stories stencil that was included in the kit as well. And here is just a look that everything is included. There is so much in this kit. They're jam-packed full, and at such a great price point. Thanks so much. If you've enjoyed this, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.